The lace literally, it literally disappeared right here. Like, baby girl. What is up, pretty people? Precious Puppet in for today's video, y'all. I'm so excited because I got sent some hair. Okay, this company reached out to me via email and was like, do you want a wig? And I said, I sure do want a wig. So I got a wig from a company called LUVME hair. I feel like they're pretty popular on YouTube. I'm not really sure. I tried not to look up too many things because I didn't want to be biased. So let's slip off this ribbon. Ooh, that's nice. Gonna take out the hair and we're gonna see what else is in here. This is a sheet that says, enjoy your journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME hair. Thanks, Helena. They also have a little goodie bag in here. Y'all know I love a good goodie bag. We're gonna open it up and see what was given. They gave me some LUVME hair lashes, y'all. These lashes actually look like they're good, right? Those ones at the top look like lashes. I can use these on my makeup clients. Oh, okay, some cute little beauty store hoop earrings. Stop, what? Wait, these press-ons are actually pretty cute and very like holiday festive. And look at how bare my nails are, y'all. I low-key need them. And the next thing they sent, ooh, this is a big old scrunchie. I like that a lot. Oh, they sent a pop socket for your phone. Oh, this one's pretty. It's like emerald. They also sent me a comb in here, which I mean, we always love a good comb. And there is a pamphlet with a pretty black woman on it and basically instructions for how to care for your hair. So they did send me some options to choose from, and I wanted like a winter wig. Y'all know winter wigs are more like blonde, browns, ashy, like lighter colors to really bring out the depth of your skin. I chose a blonde bob moment. Oh, this color is everything. Look. So the wig does have a band on the inside as well as 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. Y'all can see that this side right here is sewn down. So you get enough hair to like create edges and baby hair, but not enough to do like a full side part. So these are the details for the wig, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys what this wig looks like on my head fresh out of the box, and then afterwards I'm going to bleach it, pluck it, style it, you know, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. So we are now bald, y'all, and we're gonna get into this wig. I'm just going to put it on. This elastic band feels so comfy. It is like the perfect fit on my head. It's really, really soft. Wow. And it looks like they already plucked a middle part, like not too deep, because I could definitely go like deeper back here, but they gave a little bit of a middle part pluckage, so that's lovely. Oh, y'all know this hair is gonna be really cute on me. Can y'all see the vision already? I'm already like, oh, yep. This is the hairline of the wig. As y'all can see, it's a thick hairline, but I honestly don't mind that. I would prefer to have a really thick hairline that I can customize than like a super thin one that's already been plucked for me. All right, y'all, now we can start customizing the wig. So we're gonna transition into my bathroom. This is what the knots are looking like pre-bleaching. The knots are looking very tiny and not too dark, but obviously we gotta bleach it. We gotta get these knots together. I did post a video of me bleaching knots previously, so I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but we are gonna do a nice little montage of me bleaching this wig, so stay tuned.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, purple, go, go.
a taste this, a little bit, high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song. Alright.
So y'all should have just seen me bleach this wig, pluck this wig, you know, customize her the way that I needed to. I think I may have over bleached her a little bit. I don't remember if the part was already blonde in this area. I'm gonna have to roll back the footage and see what it looked like in the beginning before I started the customization process. But nonetheless, it's okay. That's something that I can easily fix later on, but I'm not gonna do it today because I have somewhere to be, y'all. I have a dinner reservation with somebody in a couple of hours and I really need to hurry up and get this installed. So y'all, let's begin. I just slicked back my edges and tried to cover them as best as I could. Y'all saw that the wig doesn't have much parting space on the side, so I'm not really worried about my edges on the side showing. I think it'll honestly be okay. And this is going to be a glueless install. I'm just going to use my olive oil spray. I'm going to start with spraying on some scalp protectant. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's honestly probably just like isopropyl alcohol. And while that is drying, I'm going to begin the process of tinting this lace. Y'all know I love my even tinted lace spray. To seal in that lace spray, we're gonna spray some of the olive oil fix-it spray. All right, and now our lace is fully prepped. She looks good. I'm just gonna start by putting this wig on my head and seeing how it's looking. This wig is very snug, like not in a bad way, just in like a, I don't even know if I'd need to like glue it down at all. I'm just gonna pull my hair back with this scrunchie. I am going to cut off these ear tabs, y'all. I'm gonna try and stay in camera, but TBH, it's quite hard, yeah. I'm already loving what this hair is, the potential. It's really the potential for me. We're gonna begin adhering this on. So we're going to just spray. And one more layer. I'm being so sloppy. Don't be this sloppy, y'all. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. I'm gonna just comb this in. Same to the other side. And pull it down. I'm going to cover that hairline and be nice and tight. Perfect tuck behind the ear. That's really cute. She is secure. You can look at the hairline, y'all. Gonna spray a little bit more to secure it. So while that is melting, we are going to go ahead and style this wig. I'm gonna just start with spraying some water. This is water mixed with a little bit of whatever was left in here, but it's literally like 97% water. Spray this all over the hair. I'm gonna take some edge wax, put it on my perimeter. Gonna just put a little bit on my part. Down. Not too much. Spray a little bit more water before I go in with my mousse. We're gonna use what little I have left of the Lotta Body mousse. And put it all throughout the hair. I'm getting some shedding, but not anything crazy. Just from running my hands through my hair. I do like a lot of mousse, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Y'all see that? Look at the curls. Then I am gonna go in with my 3-row comb, which just adds to the definition and kind of shingles the hair for you. So this is what the hair is looking like right now. Honestly, loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm gonna diffuse upside down for volume. Ooh, y'all, I could not be more in love with these curls if I try to look. This is why you diffuse with your head upside down, ladies. This right here. This is why you use a 3-row comb. Because these spirals, these ringlets, the shape of the hair is so nice. I will show y'all the back after I finish cutting off this lace and styling this wig because, child, we are taking entirely too long. We're just gonna use our nail scissors and slice right down the middle. Then we're gonna take our razor and cut this lace off. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try and cut this as close as I can. Scared. I'm scared. I'm just gonna clip this hair back so that I can see what I'm doing. If your actual edges are showing, do not cut off your edges. And just peel it up. So if you apply a lot of glue like me, it will get stuck to your skin. So just peel it up a little bit. And we can clean this off later. All right, y'all, so I cut off my lace. I'm just taking a little bit of isopropyl alcohol so I can clean off the excess glue. Just gonna take this powder that I have and use this middle color to start hiding this lace here. Y'all see the lace slowly disappearing? Yeah, it's the power of makeup, baby. This is like the perfect color for my hairline. I'm really loving this wig. I cannot even lie. I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig. Oh, this lace is melted. I hope it looks good on camera because it's giving the very sweet in person. Oh, I love this. This is gonna blend really nice. I feel it in my soul. So what I'm gonna do now is go over the whole area with some more freeze spray. We're gonna just go in with another layer. Y'all, I keep spraying so much of this. Don't spray as much as I am, please. Wrap it with the band. So while this is melting, I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna see the final reveal. Y'all ready?
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing up and over, trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see yours out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill this whole family, we run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out.
All right, y'all, this is the finished product. I feel like by my smile, y'all can tell that I am loving this wig. I love the color. This curls came out so pretty and it looks really natural. Like the hairline melted really, really easily. When I do the bald cap method, oh, this hairline is gonna be flawless. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I actually really, really love this wig. So thank you, LUVME Hair, for sending me such a beautiful wig. I can't wait to see how it wears. I feel like this is the perfect color for the winter time, and I really laid this thing down. Laid her down. Thank you so much for watching. I have to go, I'm running late, but I will see you on my next video. Make sure that you comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this hair, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.